Welcome to the vibrant world of Big Blue Dumpster Company LLC, your one-stop destination for waste taming in the heart of Richmond, Kentucky. Dive into the excitement of hassle-free cleanup with our fantastic dumpster rental services. From residential makeovers to commercial conquests, we're here to transform your trashy situations into triumphs. At Big Blue Dumpster Company LLC, we're not just about dumpsters but about making waste management an adventure. Ready to roll? Dial up the fun at 859-544-4795 and let the dumpster dreams come alive. Our friendly experts are on standby, ready to guide you through the dumpster dance and help you pick the perfect size for your cleanup choreography. Swing by our virtual hotspot at www.bigbluedumpsterky.com for a sneak peek into the dumpster party. Booking has never been this easy. It's like magic for your mess. Dumpster Rental Richmond, Kentucky, has found its groove with Big Blue Dumpster Company LLC. Join the coolest cleanup crew in town, where waste management meets fun management. We're not just tossing trash. We're flipping the script on waste disposal with style and a sprinkle of eco-fabulous vibes. Experience the thrill of a cleaner, greener tomorrow with Big Blue Dumpster Company LLC, because life's too short for tedious cleanup.